Max is feeling happy in the garden today.
Let's build a beautiful garden. Drag the pictures to the garden table. Bench. Fence. Pond. Tree. Use the crayons to draw in the garden. Green. Red. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Pink. White. Black. Eraser. What a beautiful garden!
Max is playing hide and seek with the bird.
Tap the bench to see it. It is a black shadow.
Where's the little bird? Oh, where can it be? It's behind the bench, come look with me. Behind the bench, hop, hop, hop. Then it stretches its wings with a little plop.
Behind! Behind! Tap the fence to see it.
Where's the little bird? Oh, where can it be? It's above the fence, flying happily. Above the fence, swirl, swirl, swirl. It spins in the air with a happy twirl.
Above. Above. Tap the table to see it.
Where's the little bird? Oh, where can it be? It's under the table, hiding, you see. Under the table, peek, peek, peek. Then it jumps right out with a cheerful squeak.
Under. Under. Tap the pond to see it.
Where's the little bird? Oh, where can it be? It's between the pond and the flower tree. Between the pond, splash, splash, splash. Then it hops to the flower in a big quick dash.
Between. Between. G is for garden.
In the garden, flowers start to grow. Hear the sound g, g, g. Watch them go. G, g, g. Garden. Trees wave hello. G is the sound in the garden below.
Let's trace the g sound. Put your finger on the arrow. Follow the lines. Excellent tracing skills! I loved playing in the garden. Goodbye for now.